Welcome back to Car Mexi, where we break down the latest rides with real talk and real detail. Today, we're diving into a car that enthusiasts have been begging Honda to revive for years. And now, it's finally here, the 2026 Honda S2000. Honda's iconic roadster is making a comeback, and it's bringing modern engineering, upgraded performance, and a fresh design while staying true to the spirit of the original. Let's get into the full review, covering exterior, interior, performance, and of course, the expected pricing. Right away, the exterior of the 2026 S2000 tells you this car is built for drivers who want precision and excitement. Honda has blended sharp, modern lines with the classic long nose, short tail proportions that made the original S2000 instantly recognizable. The front gets slim LED headlights with a more aggressive stance, and the wide lower intake hints at serious airflow management. Moving along the side, the body sits low and planted, with sculpted panels that guide air efficiently and give the car a muscular but clean look. Honda kept the soft top design, but improved the mechanism so it opens quicker and seals tighter for better noise control. The rear brings a modern twist to the classic round taillights, and the dual exhaust sits perfectly centered to show that this roadster still knows how to play. Lightweight alloy wheels complete the package, giving the S2000 a true sports car identity. Inside, the 2026 S2000 is all about blending simplicity with modern tech. Drivers will appreciate that Honda didn't overload the cabin with unnecessary touch controls. Instead, the layout stays driver-focused with a digital instrument cluster that mimics the iconic sweeping tachometer from the original. The steering wheel is compact and responsive, and the seating position remains low and engaging, giving you that, in the car, not on the car, feeling. Honda uses high-quality materials, soft-touch leather, aluminum accents, and supportive bucket seats that hold you firmly without sacrificing comfort. The center screen is modest in size but crisp and fast, with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. There are no rear seats, and honestly, there shouldn't be. This car sticks to its purpose, pure driving enjoyment. But the biggest question you probably have is performance. Honda is rumored to power the 2026 S2000 with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing around 330 horsepower. It's paired with a newly refined 6-speed manual transmission that stays true to the car's heritage, with short, precise throws that make every shift satisfying. For drivers who prefer automatic, Honda is expected to offer a dual-clutch option, but the manual is where this car comes alive. Rear-wheel drive keeps the experience pure, and the updated chassis improves rigidity, giving the car improved cornering balance. Steering feel is sharp and direct, bringing back that classic S-Series connection to the road. Honda also upgraded the suspension with adaptive dampers, allowing drivers to choose between comfortable cruising and track-ready stiffness. This car isn't just about power, it's about the harmony of control, response, and emotion. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to start around the low to mid-$60,000 range. That puts it in competition with cars like the Toyota GR Supra and Mazda MX-5 RF, but the S2000's blend of heritage, engineering, and performance gives it a clear space of its own. Higher trims and performance packages could push the price closer to $70,000, especially if Honda offers factory track upgrades. So that's the full breakdown of the 2026 Honda S2000. It's modern, sharp, powerful, and still undeniably true to its roots. If you're a fan of lightweight, high-revving roadsters designed with pure driving in mind, this comeback is everything you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned here on Car Mexi for more detailed car content just like this.